This kid was a broke Fortnite player just 1 year ago. Since then, he's made over $100,000 off the TikTok shop. So, I got him in a call to find out just how he did it and how you can do the same. How much money have you actually made in total on TikTok?
Over six figures.
Over six figures.
Yeah.
And when did you get started doing this?
Around a year ago, I joined your Discord around a year ago. Like before you even had a course, before anything like pre-launch, I joined your Discord. I started doing drop shipping, and then I kind of learned from there. And I remember talking to this Chris guy, and then he helped me. I got like a store to really pop off. It was like around like December, something like that. It was like a lamp. I don't know if you ever seen it. But it
Like one of the
glows,
lamps with like
tap.
the little the shit coming out of it? Was it one of those?
It's like you tap it and then it glows, basically.
How much did it make you?
Over 10K, something like that.
Yeah, I remember. Well,
But
you hit like 1K days doing that too, right?
yeah, 3K days.
You had 3K
But
days. I remember you posting that in the Discord, and I was like, "What the actual fuck?"
yeah,
So that
yeah,
was your first time really trying out short form marketing and everything. Was like
yeah. Well,
when you joined the Discord back then.
yeah, that's how the first time I went into e-commerce, like in general. But before that, I used to play a lot of Fortnite, like a
You used
lot
to
of
grind Fortnite.
yeah,
Are you
like a
still
lot
good?
every single day. Yeah, I'm pretty good.
Oh, we gotta
But I
play
used to play a
sometime.
lot of creative.
Where did you go from there? So like you started posting TikToks on promoting like that lamp company, and then what? Did the account slowly die down because you were doing fully organic? So
Yeah,
then
it
what?
was drop shipping, so it's kind of inconsistent sometimes with organic, especially when it started out. I was kind of really, really early, to be honest, like when that wave came up. And then I did another product like a few months after it died down, the lamp. I did like a car drift, like a car that you can drift and you use like a remote. And that made me around the same, like I had the same amount of revenue, so over 10K.
Yeah, and this is all before TikTok Shop, right? So you would have to do
Yeah.
call to actions in your videos. This
Yep.
is back when I think pinned comments on TikTok were still a thing. So it was much easier to drive people to your link in bio.
I said that, yeah, I had to pin the comment. And also around that time, I think they took off pinned comments also. So, but
It
yeah,
was right around then, yeah.
yeah. And then also I use Instagram organic. So I blew up on Instagram like crazy. I can show that account too, but it blew up crazy. The conversion rate wasn't really that good, but
And that was just you were just posting reels.
I was reposting like my TikTok videos.
I'm curious, like from like what you learned from me with short form marketing. What are some of like the most fundamental principles that you took away from me and then applied into your accounts and like maybe even still apply today?
I would say definitely the call to actions is what really set the ground for me. Definitely the call to actions. And I think honestly organic, you just have to just get experience. You have to actually do it, if you know what I mean. It just takes time, to be honest. You learn it from yourself.
Yeah, I think a lot of it's also like competence. Like if you're able to if you're a competent human being, you can just like take the stuff that I give you guys, like whether it's in my live class or like in the whole program, whatever it is, and you're able to just apply it to your accounts and then like be creative from there. Because it's like it's not like I can tell you this is how you're gonna make your 100 videos exactly. It's like giving you all the fundamentals that you need to know, and then you're like, okay, I can add this little trick in my video, like James Charles in the back, that'll get people to comment, or I can
Right.
do this and this will get people to rewatch. But it's like understanding the fundamentals and then being able to apply them to every single niche. Like, because personally, like I got really good at it, and then I blew up in like I don't know. I think I've done like over a dozen niches at this point. I've done like stand-up comedy, e-commerce, reactions, public interviews, crypto, NFTs. Like I've done so many different niches, but it's all based on the same fundamentals. That's the big thing.
Yeah.
Is there anything else that comes to mind?
Yeah, I agree with the controversy. Like you have to put something where like you, you think that they're gonna say something in the background, like you said, and then they just comment and it boosts like the algorithm,
hmm
basically.
Yeah, a lot of people get the misconception that it's like my captions are good, I did my cuts, I did my pop-ups, why aren't I going viral? And it's like that's one piece to the puzzle.
Right.
That's one. If your content's ass and nobody wants to watch it, it's not going to get pushed out on the feed. But if it's a good video, like at the end of the day, the video being really good is the most important factor. Like you can have a really, really good quality content, like the video, but
Yeah.
with bad editing, and that'll almost do better than a video
Yeah.
that's bad content with good editing, just because it's actually entertaining. Like there's plenty of times where people have shit editing and go viral. A lot of like interviews, guys do that and stuff and whatnot. So How do you think that TikTok Shop revolutionized the game? Because like I said, back when you were on TikTok doing drop shipping, like in my Discord and stuff, you were having to push people to your link in bio. You need to hit 1,000 followers. How is it different?
No, now you can buy accounts and shit like that now, but I would say like it really, really boosts like even if it's a really bad video, like really, really bad videos, just you showing the product. I'm gonna just show this product, but let's say like you make a hook and then you explain the benefits and shit like that, and you'll get sales all from you showing the product. It's kind of like backwards, to be honest. Like there was a lot of rules when it came to like normal organic videos, and then when TikTok Shop came out, it was like completely backwards. Like
Yeah, yeah.
really bad videos would do good.
It's very interesting. I think a lot of it's because back at the start when you were doing TikTok drop shipping, pushing people off, it's you were taking people off of the platform, and TikTok wasn't taking a percentage in that revenue, so they weren't really incentivized to push your video as hard. So you had to
Right.
work harder to get like those millions and millions of views, and you still did it anyways, which is super impressive.
Yeah.
And then now, if they have metrics where it's like per million views on this fucking TikTok Shop thing, we're making $5,000, then they're obviously gonna push that out harder. So all you really need to do is just make like a decent video utilizing the TikTok Shop, and they're gonna fucking push it. Like it's I think TikTok Shop is probably the best way to make like your first 5 to 10K right now.
Yeah, for sure. And working with brands, like these brands like have so much money. They'll put you on retainers. Like I don't know any business model where you can make money like the first day of you doing it. Like if these brands put you on retainers, so usually they do half and half. You do 30 videos a day. So let's say you get a
Wait,
$500.
30 videos a month, you mean?
Yeah, I mean 30 videos a month. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
And then let's say you get a $500 retainer, you get 250 off just posting 30 videos, one a day.
Mm.
And
That's actually what I'm building inside of Faz Growth. I'm working on an e-commerce product right now, and then we're gonna get it on TikTok Shop, and then I'm gonna give all like the people inside a really fat commission on it.
yeah, that's smart.
Yeah, because I initially built Faz Growth as a way to like get a lot of really, really qualified short form people underneath me, and then use them for my agency and provide them job opportunities. But then I just realized like scaling an agency, especially with short form, past like 15-20K a month is just too aids. Like
Yeah.
it's way too much to manage, and it's like if the client's content is shit and then they're complaining, it's just not worth it. But I think that this is gonna end up making everyone a lot more money because
Yeah.
it's less to manage. All I'm gonna have to do is like build a video course teaching people what exactly to do, and then just giving them like incentives and a really fat affiliate cut, and it's gonna work out.
Yeah, smart. But bro, they add so much things. It's on. I think honestly, it's competing with Amazon. Like literally, my mom is buying shit off TikTok Shop. That's how big. It
Bruh.
is. Yeah.
It's so funny too, because like I don't think I'll ever buy some shit off of TikTok Shop, like unironically. Like every time I see an ad or anything, I'm just like, you're wasting your money with
Yeah.
me seeing it. Like when you become a marketer and you see ads, you're just like, bro, like
Yeah.
I don't know, it just makes me cringe. Like I can't do it.
Yeah, I see videos. I'm like, bro, they're only NPCs would like buy these type of products. Like,
No,
know.
yeah. There's so much shit right now that's like it's just straight up robots. What are some of your favorite products if you'd want to share on the TikTok Shop right now?
I would say supplements mainly. I would do
Bro.
supplements right now.
Supplements are printing right now.
Yeah.
Supplements are such horseshit too. Like for anyone watching that doesn't like know, like
Oh my God, you could not go viral with supplements like before TikTok Shop. Like right when TikTok Shop started going up, that's when supplements started
yeah. Do you take supplements?
Nah.
Dude, they're
I
bullshit, bro. They're
Yeah.
fucking bullshit. It's funny, but like they make a lot of money, and I get it. A lot of it's like placebo, I think too. Like people will take something that's nonsense, and because now that they're taking the pill, they're like, oh, my hair feels fucking thicker.
Yeah, you have to make exaggerated claims when you're doing it. And
Yeah.
there's also a lot of like if you do Dr. Sebi, if you know who that is, it's like targeting the black community too. It's kind of
Bro.
like
That's
old
funny.
people.
Yeah. You know what's funny too about like
Yeah,
TikTok Shop
stuff
and
like
this
that.
stuff is a lot of the stuff that I see trending right now is just like regular products from like a year and a half ago. Basically like when you're
Oh,
in my
yeah.
Discord. Do you know like the push-up board?
Yeah, I seen it. Like,
Bro,
yeah.
that was like a
Oh,
big
my-
thing a year and a half ago. I think I made a course video on that specifically. And
Yeah.
now it's back on TikTok Shop ripping. Like that's
Yeah. There's
That's
a lot
so
of products coming
that
back that were dead.
easy 10K a month right now. I don't care. Whoever's watching this, just do it first. Push up board, go to a gym and offer people a mystery prize if they can do 100 push-ups on each setting.
Yeah, interview styles are like really easy too.
Easy. That's the easiest videos you could make. The mystery prize could be bullshit, so they don't even need to get anything. Most people aren't even able to do the 100, and that incorporates like the public interview style, and they're super super easy to make and edit. Those are gonna convert really well. I was actually thinking of doing an account like that myself. I'm working on one right now where I made a straight Pride Flags website, and I'm gonna like blow up a TikTok account pushing it. It's gonna be a really funny video.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know if I have any other questions really. What's some advice that you would give to people that are looking to get started?
I would say when you're first starting out, just you gotta stick with it. There's gonna be weeks where you're gonna like be doubting yourself, but that's just like business in general. You just have to stick it through. Don't look at other business models. Just try to stick to one thing and just go
Agreed.
through with it. And make sure you always do your post every single day. That's like the most important thing, so you don't get like left behind with like your retainers. Yeah, that's basically it. Just stay consistent.
Yeah, that's
That's
definitely the big thing. What I tell like, all my students is like 90% of your income is going to be from 10% of your videos. So if you're averaging like 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, like maybe each of those is getting like a sale or two, but then it's like
yeah.
10 million and that's 10 grand right there or whatever it is for
Oh,
a product that you're pushing.
yeah. The conversion rate on TikTok Shop is insane. It's insane. Like compared to like normal organic videos. Like if you just put like a TikTok logo, it just pushes the video. You get more sales out of it. It's just way better than like a normal
Yeah.
like video.
I have another couple of questions. Well, I'll let you answer.
Yeah.
The under 5,000 followers thing. What's the way around that?
You have to know some people to like buy the accounts, or you're just gonna have to grow your own account. But there's also a method that you can do it if you haven't had like a TikTok ads like SSN, basically, and you go like on TikTok. You can search it up. Just search up how to get an account under 5K followers, and they'll show you like step by step how to do it. As long as you haven't used your SSN on TikTok ads or anything like that. Oh yeah, the conversion rate is just insane, bro. Like, what's it called? Let me show you real quick. I'm gonna just show you here. So I made over 100K in revenue, and they offer you like really really good. Once you start doing good, you can get like a good affiliate commission. So you get like 30%. If you start doing better and better, they'll up the retainer, up the commission rate. You just get more money, and they just push out.
Who's the retainer? It's an agency or it's TikTok?
It's a brand. It's the brand, and then you can communicate with the brand.
And how do you actually get a retainer like that?
It takes experience. Like at first, you could get like around, I would say, if you're first starting out as a beginner, it's 250 to 500. And like a middle type of person would be like 500 up to 800, maybe 1K. And when you're experienced, it's 1.5K, sometimes higher.
How long does
For
each
one
of
brand.
these TikToks take you a day, like to make?
It depends on what type of video style it is. So if it's a testimony type of style, it usually takes like 30 minutes to an hour. But if it's like a really easy, like I just knock it off, it's like 10 minutes to like 30 minutes.
Yeah, they're not too hard. I mean, some of them are even like 5 seconds. I know.
Yeah.
Like there's ones where it's like, I remember the lava lamps. It would be like a guy going like this, and it'll have a
Yeah.
song on it, and we get 10 million views. I was like,
Longer videos are doing good right now, though, for sure. Like longer
Yeah.
type of videos. That's
have
what
you
it is.
have you double dipped with the creativity program and TikTok Shop at all?
No, I haven't. Yeah, I haven't done that.
Because I mean, at the end of like it's good. Like I recommend people do that, but then it takes more effort. Like if I think it's better for like the testimonial style videos where you're already pushing like that 40-second
Yeah.
mark, like stretch it to a minute, but you don't necessarily want to make every single video a minute and 1 second just to also get the creativity program. Because like with the amount of time that's gonna take, you probably could have made 3 TikToks, and then those would have made more on the TikTok Shop in itself. Yeah, that's basically all that I got, bro. I think that was good. I think we dropped a good amount of value for people looking to get started. If you guys want some more advice too, make sure to join the live class that I'm hosting, diving into all of this in much more depth. The link is at the top of the description. And Corby, I appreciate it, brother.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you.